Well, hello from the KC Range. Today it's Mouse Gun Monday. This is almost a mouse gun, but it does shoot a 38. This is a Davis. I think it's a D38 Derringer. I think I could look at the box. It is a Davis Industries. Davis Industries. It is a 38 caliber. It says, do not use this gun until instructed in safe handling by a competent firearms instructor. All guns can be dangerous if improperly used. And the instructions on the box are on the inside. Here, let's see, y'all might can read that yourselves. The light is not too well, and I've got a yellow jacket buzzing around. But anyway, let me read it for you. Always place hammer and half cock and engage safety before loading and unloading. Keep finger and hand away from muzzle end of barrel when loading, shooting, and unloading. If you didn't receive a manual, I did not, or a free cable lock card, I did not, this was used, with this firearm, immediately call or write us, and Davis will be glad to send you one. Davis Industries, 15150 Sierra Bonita Lane, Chino, California, etc. Comes with a Youth Handgun Safety Act paper and an attention to dealers card and a send in for your free cable lock. I guess you'll run a cable through one of the barrels and lock it where you can't shut it. And it has a warning. Children are attracted to and can operate firearms that can cause severe injuries or death. Prevent child access by always keeping guns locked away when not in use. If you keep a loaded firearm where a child obtains and improperly uses it, you may be fined or sent to prison. Do not use this gun until instruction on safe handling, and we already read that. But that is the box from what came with this gun. Let me remember, put it on half cock. It kind of pushes it out of the way just in case, but you know, it's not the best of options in self-defense, but that's all you have. That is all you have. Well, let me not load up yet until I put the target out. I'm going to tape, I put a big box out there, and I'm going to tape this to that box and aim for this, and we'll see where we hit. We'll see how it does. I did not do well with the Davis D32. It's not a 7-yard gun. I see, you know, people can shoot them. I am not one of those people. Okay, so you swing, load it. You swing that around, you know, tilt up the barrel, put the 2 bullets in, swing it back around, make sure it's on half cock first, and swing this back around to lock it in place. And then you just walk up and shoot, like you put your hearing and eye protection on. I'm gonna try from 7 yards. This is 10. This is 7. There's probably a bear of a trigger. We will find out. I didn't want to dry fire it. I don't have a 38 snap cap. I know I'm bothering, but just point and shoot. And get a good grip. Point. Shoot. That's a bear of a trigger. I don't know where it went. We're going to try it again though. Let's see. I'll probably mark them and come back. Oh Lord. I'm guessing these two. There is nothing. Nothing. I'm going to go lower. Those two are at an angle. Well, I'm going to aim down here. Let me go ahead and put it on a half cock. Oh. And here's your ejector. What you do, I've already ejected it out, pushed the slides out, but you just push that down, then you hold them, I guess, and pull that back up. And it's already getting a little warm in there. It's a little tight. All right. Good thing I brought a second target. All right, here we go loading. You swing it open. You had to swing this around. Swing, ooh, I just shot myself. Swing this around. Then you swing that up. You make sure it's half cocked first before you swing it shut for sure, because you do not want to lose fingers or shoot yourself or whatever. So then we have to swing it back around, and that should lock it in place, and then we should be ready to roll. I'm going to aim at the, let's see, I'm going to aim down at the bottom of the target here, down below the target, probably around that H and better homes, right to the right of that H maybe. Let's see. Oh, I think no, that's R. Oh, that's quicker because it really doesn't matter. Oh, I did hit the target, I see. So it's pretty much keeping them in line, I think. Here's one right there. And that's it. The second one I didn't hit because I just pulled it. It was like epic. But I'll go closer. It's wood. Let's go. I don't know. We'll find out after I get this thing changed out. Let me make sure I don't shoot my fingers off. Oh, that came out without even using my ejector. There we go. I was afraid it was going to get a little too hot to use. Oh, half cock. Need to go to half cock. All right. We're going to try it closer. I'm gonna walk. Here's 7 yards. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4 yards. 4 yards. Let's back it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that's about 2, 3, 4. Right in here. I'm just going to aim right where that bullet is, out circle, which is below the X. I'm just going to pull up like I'm shooting someone. I don't know if it's right there. Cock before I pulled it. Cock. We got to pull that trigger. Cock it. Yards, it did decent. So from right about here, it did decent. Oh, I got 4 holes in here though. 1, 2, 3. Oh, there was one here earlier. So that was from this one. So when I was aiming down here, I did hit one also right there because there's 4 holes. 1, 2, those are those 2, 3, which is that one, and 4. And these 2 were when I was at 7 yards aiming here. I didn't see that one. It was hidden. And these 2 from 4 yards. So that's better than what I thought. We'll break it down. All right, the first time I shot from 7 yards, I hit the person, and I was aiming here, hit the person here, and right in here. It was covered up by this flat. I did not see that shot. But here and here, from 7 yards, aiming here. Aiming, well, no, I walked up and I was aiming right there. And that was at 4 yards, or yeah, probably 4 yards. And, yeah, there. So, 3 or 4 yard gun. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, you're gonna put 238s in someone. Very slowly, cock and pull. You've got to pull hard, cock, pull. Let me, I'm gonna throw another target up there. I've got 5 more rounds. We'll shoot 4 of them since y'all are here anyway. Okay. Go this way. Aha. Oh, I did have my tape. Let's see. Unload it again, swing it around, whip it out, whip it around, and unload. Putting them in, spin it back around, spin this back around. Oh, and I didn't have it at half cock, and it did spin around. That was dangerous. It's a dangerous gun. You forget to do it half cock, I could. Anyway, let's see how it does. Oh, we're going from 7. All right. Well, I can't even see my target, but it is. I'll set to. I'm gonna aim low anyway. Aim right there. If you practice with this thing, you could defend yourself on it with it. Let's see. Here's where I was. Well, that's not what I was aiming at. I was aiming down there so it would hit there. And here's where I hit with those last two shots right there. So that's not bad. I'll try two more. Half cock. All right. Stop there. Stop there. Stop, I say. Let's see how it did. Way high. Way high. It takes some practice. I've got two more. We'll go for steel. But those two, were high. They still hit. Let's go at heart high. If I was aiming there, solar plexus. Well, one missed. One. And that one, yeah, but it hurt him. Oh, he's right-handed probably, so, well. Anyway, last two on steel. We'll see if we can even hit it. It's nice to get out. It's hot today though. It's not 100. It's been getting to 100 here for the last couple days. It's only in the mid 90s. Got out a little earlier where I could see a little better. Oh, forgot to go half cock. It doesn't want to let you do that. All right, it is at half cock. Why is it? Okay. Oh, Lord. Let us see. Half cock. Pushes around. Does not want to seat. Okay. I had the lever wrong. Duh. All right. Oh, we're going for steel. I need to stay back. All right. We're going to go for the big one, of course. Hit him in the head. I was aiming way I was aiming that far below. Oh, that's funny. Whoop, we're out of bullets. Y'all probably out of time. Not yet, time watching this. Thank y'all for watching, y'all that did. And thank you for stopping by the KC Range. May God bless y'all all. Thank you very much for watching. Comment, subscribe, like. Have a great day.